Show mon show ni munyam. E bo show ni wo. Say there is blessing. Go back to your husband. Eja rough. Thank you, Jesus Christ. Already that was say. E show ni munyam e okese. Say another so wedding kunim amai. E da was Saudi em kwacha ye. Keche mada bodwem moje di mo frisane. Yenim se wo moja nti ye din kunim. Another already be famisi unaso. Konkron be famisi unaso ne kasa e famimu e kire wo ma. Said you ye ne de bia no. Already mama kokodro eni tumi. Ne mama mama so nye den che matamfo. Be kasa famimu sanse wo jame a nkose asem kwa ne be firi manum aba. Wonam nimdie ni nyansa ewo nti ase ni humu. Already mama wasem mu nimdie nyansa nti ase ni humu. Metumi no o ma kasa sansa wo mo hwe mi. Ebi ye me maame no me nuanom me kunu no me wofa no mo me nananom e na wo mo hwe me nyama ho ofa bi nti eye wadom nti Awurade ye wo na wo mo betie wo nyame eni nti wo mfa me nsi onaso ankasa na wo jamia honam ni moja ntumi nya adwuma eni nti ho konkron fa me si unaso ne di udwuma se de oye no de bia no me gyae akoma bi ahya wo nsa se Awurade ene de asem a wo pese yetie no ene ye emeka na ye wi a ye mfa wose dani me da wose me hya woni munyam se wodi nkonim ene de nso ewo ye ne Awurade Yesu Kristo Nazareth ni di mu amen. Odafo me ma akwaba ene ayi anopa yi me ha no ya anopa enya mo 12 o'clock okra or 11 something onya me shira so wa mote me nka che last me buy na me be ma mo bad news say mase afrimu omubuso ahoboaboa on the 15th and on be 1 week and nti omugu ahoboaboa so me da mu nyina ase so ewo nkranhyesem mo send me messages or WhatsApp Facebook ne YouTube onyame wo nhira mo na onyamo kese me da me papa akosie wua ase yie pa one me ame maame Dora se o mama mehu sampa ye Kristo mu abusua enye nchen na me ye me papa ba prekompe enya asem ketwa nti me papa tete mfikyire wa wota mechi a enye komo na me da Kristo ase se wa yi misuban dada ma misuban foforo na wa yi abusua dada no ama me abusua foforo nti me dia seda enikabia ema ye na Awurade Yesu Kristo Israel se onkoso en order me steps na enhya wo no Kristo animunyam na se Yesu tiase die yerinhihim na yempa ba de biarada na me pesa obi atiase Satan he's not done working be 1 week ni onyame say yi kire me Jesus is coming back again die me hunu sem se o ma me hunu se nkofo bi de o mani atoto niam bi so wo se we bansa wo se we bansa. We have to be alert. So what do we need to be so say oh I was say we see answer enema ni be si wa bra wo hu enema na wo do we need to so say we say see answer no some will happen wa bra wo hu enti be alert. Yes, boa wo baby a wo bia boa wo you aggressive pa and now don't sleep na nyese 5 foolish virgins o kire me no ma me hu se nipa bi de wo mani asi bibi so they were waiting for that to happen but sani mani bi be happen and they won't even see it mpofrimu na Yesu ba be alert odofo me paucho boa ho sie boa ho nefesi and yamani bi be happen you won't see it nso na si please and I wouldn't. It could be 2 things. Obi be train Yesu Kristo maye. O say beba we be si Ebia na wo fie nso onyame ade ama no na wa nuru ho na asi. Ka hu se wonya wu pe wo de kemoto eno ano no ye wie. Adwen sakra bia ni ho ma obiem. Nti sa wo twen se Yesu Kristo maye no. Wo se we besi die besi no ebeba beto ana emeto. Wo fie wa sha ma no wo betime du sa eho no ana ento. Now I'm getting more understanding for what I see. A wo betimi ato is over for you. Say wo to before say ya. Wan hu wawie wo de. Me pa cha wo tie me yie pa. Wa dwe be yo say Yesu Kristo ba. But wo se ne ma no de di nanim a ebeba nie before ansa na obeba. Na me busa se niema edi Yesu Kristo ba anim no. Wo fie na wa hihya ma wo. Wo Satan no ebeto ana ento. Me pacha wo tie de meka. Niema edi ye na Awurade Yesu Kristo ba etosum yenu nanim no. Niema edi animu. Mframa na ebebo ansa na wa appear. Satan na ya hihye na sa ne na mani besi no. Wo betena se de wani ehu bi. Ana wo be wu before ansa na asi. That is why you have to be prepared. That is why you have to get your house in order. We are living in a dangerous time. O mami hu ye no. We are thinking, sir, we are waiting for this to happen. Impossible. Wopie. Afi people, hey. Na say yes we be happy. It could be say you will die before that time. Nso na wo de wani to say yes beba we beba enya nso ye ne kire se kwan ni wo mu. I have time. But will you live to see the day or the hour, or you will just die? Obia namo infia wa hihama ye obia nim no obia e woni de. Some will witness what is going to happen. Some will face persecution, tribulation, great chaos. Ebibe will live to see it. So they will be done before that day. Are you ready to meet Jesus Christ? He is on the way coming. The man is at the door. Now, a warning. Forget about the things that is going on around you. Osenkafo kan sembi. Osenkafo kan sembi. Say yanhwe our focus will be the things around us. Say asam to ye Christopher. We shouldn't get carried away with the problem that we are going through. Yes, sir, the problem will suck us. Na ye de focus akosi ho. Na adwuma wo say ye no. Ye ntina osenkafo kan bibi kire ye no. O ma ye di kan tiase. Bi o Bible no ko Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 4. Ni yenken kan bibi o ho. Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse number 4. Bi o Bible no ko na yenken kan bibi o ho ansa na matwaso. Warning. Nkasama nkancha. Warning everybody nipa bi oba wo no. A wo pese wonya dankwa. Wo Yesu Kristo pia wo kubi. Because our oba omo wu no bedi kan sori. E bia wo beka wo ma omo wu ne ho asori. You all eyes will see the man coming. Who ebia wo de no wo be free grave mu na ahia no. Ebi so you be alive. Don't let the things around you suck you away from Christ. And ma de ekoso wo hunu dum honhom no. Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse number 4. Say a time to weep and a time to laugh. A time to mourn and a time to dance. A time to cast away stones and a time to gather stones together, a time to be embraced and a time to refine from embracing, a time to get and a time to lose, a time to keep and a time to cast away. Onim se yete asasi so we will go through things. Said the radiable we say he has so many colors for us. Sa na niema ekoso no you will different every day. Nti na wan fancy no wa kire ye say ebre bi wo ho besu, ebre bi wo ho dofo be gya wo ho, ebre bi wo ho bi bewu, ebre bi wo ho bi be yare, ebre bi wo ho asem betu obi, ebre bi wo ho bi be ko prison, ebre bi wo ho no yare be bo obi, ebre bi wo ho amane bi beto, ebre bi wo ho enko ma, ebre bi wo ho so wo be sere, ebre bi wo ho be wo, ebre bi wo ho be ye party. Count it joy, all of them. Na adie nyina mu fast dama Jesus Christ. E kanipa ho. Senkan kan ho a nko onchro. Wachro ne se e kan ho. Se kan ho dia enye na esia. Yenhye na yenya Yesu ho ana ya mo no sobo ana ya nka bibia nche no ana ya nka se why me. Yanhye ya sadie we. It was still our focus. A bit do me a home. And my preparation, I was see the change Jesus Christ. We cannot do. Every single day, Satan is looking for place. So the way I will be doom home. What did that journey but also? In the Bible can they say Matthew chapter 11 verse 28. Or say what my year juma bre no more swam on this soa. Mumra min chain na mama home. This will be a juma be a ya bre, and this will be a son, and you will see it to papa so. We cannot do it. Say I'm she, na you see the yepe, Yahoo day, ye to me, ebe ye bibia. We can't do it without him. Why is the kukrumuti and son homopo? Say ye gemwa, Satan speak every day. The bia ope baby. Obefa ukunu, obefa yero, obefa oba. Every single day. Ebia ujina brane. Ukunu nyina brane. Ujina brane. Oyiri nyina brane. Ujina brane. Oba nyina brane. Be wise. Nanse na niyema ekoso. Na mekai Job nene yere. Nothing's go well for them. Everything is perfect. Si ekase obi akwa warepa ewo honam famu a meka se Job yire no akwa warepa papa. Because everything her husband have. Utimu se nabusuemu no na we omo frɛ ne nhira ewo honam fam. Why? She's married to a rich man. Job have everything. Oba ni tirimu ye ne de. Wa wo kama. Edie na nekra epe shisha onya. All of a sudden. Nikunu sikani a ofre my lord miura. E how kese na atuni. O cheki nikunu nso a. Onje nyame ho nye hwe. Oni nyame ti say. Nyame na di ne ho dance. Afedi all of a sudden. One after the other problem. We Canadian anunci na weiba. We Canadian anunci na weiba. We Canadian anunci na weiba. Afena bema ayemre. Ah, me ji urade dio. Me do urade. Me ye di urade pe. Abrabo nkofo boy me nyebi. Adenti na wase we to me. Tidan Job. Afedi ne yira na nka obekekere ne wre. No one si nyame na de ma ono anso na agiem na wafo na nigidie na freto nti when na Satan fa ne mum kasa eje so ko fa wo better half o yire na wo na odam pa ba ko so mo ngini bom nko ma ne namfofo yi bi mra meke kasa se nso na fufu o mbe kasa ne nso obi eni wo otumi nya kokodro kasa dumi nyame ne wu but Job yiri de ye kese ne chese Job dumi nyame ne wu a oni kon so what you say me yiri anka asema banka wo be chechire me were me yiri anka wo be kai di onyame ene yaye for long time ago me yiri anka wo be kai se onyame a shira me bia kan ne wabusua na sabre bibia ba ka wo se wo kasa medofo me nyame no onye yese na se bibi se impa ba e bia na wo so ye na ade ye nkoso nyinini ni we fi bibia. The same as you, when problem comes, you forget about everything that God have done in your life. And my wife bibia problem but na bonia ye honhoma manifested. Na wo wife die Christ ayama. Na wo pese wo yini boni Satan woni mo mpa wo hwe wo gidie na kuta na wo hia. Ompa oka, ompa ofie. Ompa wasase na wagege ukompene na ni nye ho. Wonim se wo gidie free time wo benya. Nti kwan bia so obefa so a wo ugidie be frata mo obefa nti eduru saa o ma wo kasa ye bebre wan hwi obekasa tie urade because the problem won't come one and stop about one after the other it did so but mframani ehun bia ebo no nkunimdie wachire wate me yire wantuma nka sam papa bia nkyere me ndumi nyame na mengu nti se papa na nye smart wo ho a nka his wife will be his downfall and no no ka wawie nti se problem se ba enhwehwe will be wa chiri the person around you no be careful ho pa ho na ye worse ho na Satan be fa be kasa kire nti se wanye stable wanye careful wanye smart woni anna ho a ntina honhoma bankono na nida hoka ho so when he na ho he will use that person closer to you now what twist away. Do you hear me? Until we see in all things we should give thanks to the Lord. Let me say 1 Thessalonians 5:18. Let me check. Your Bible, Nico. Thessalonica form. Your Bible, Nico. We are living in a dangerous time. We are living in a dangerous time. Osemona ase adinyinemu. 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 18. Osemona ase adinyinemu na yei ne de onyankopon epe Kristo Yesu mu wo mo ho. Oti wose yenna nase adinyinemu ese wu mu obeda nase yare mu obeda nase ohia mu obeda nase sika mu obeda nase ohaw mu obeda nase in everything you fast that man. Because when you say ya, e ho na wadwendwene do so no, e ho so na Satan kasa kire. Bible saka o se adwendwen man no mpepro. Nti Kristo ni papa bia ye mfa adwendwene nso a. Because e be pro no mpe. Adwendwene de ba so Satan kasa bebre. E na adwene no so. E wo se emu ye fan. Adwene no anye fan, you will be in trouble. Troubles will come. And na me hwe YouTube and me nikobo abranti bi so me picture na fam go fam. Nso mo keka me se mesre ya na me yefune me ya. Instead of say ka me hu ye no, ka ye first na ka me hu ye no ka me kokko be sori. Ba me ni bo so na me hyase na me so sidim. I just laugh. Because Bible na my yati say o say nhira no mo so wo ya mo. No time no cancer boni bi egu mo so. Me bia ma no me sase awrade Abranti fanaboni chen when him the oye na me sere kwa. Na say Lord have mercy on this guy. Miss Risa, wow. Why? Because of the oye in shiraneme. When the devil sees say, when you be ye bibia, no I shall say no them from boom boom boom. No I say I'm correct, krum. Say the way I will focus beko. But so we show anymore. Me nada. No me papa bi kasa. I say not to one way or the other. Moto no mo ani bre. If you don't know. E dey no who ya wo yusu sa word na say mo ho ani bre. Onim dey wo. Minim se me ho ani bre wo say three side. Nti now me so mo bo madwen to free. Because me dear God, my focus will be on him and I cannot prepare myself to meet Christ. Minim da will be something. And I mean da, baby I want to manamo, baby I me dra, me shiano, obi me flu. Now we international cassage se me dim fie bi say. Every Christian because what kind was say when John na so onya honam bia nti obi twa na so. Nti wonim go hwe wonim ne se ade be ma wakoto boni mu na wo ye ne dia wo so utwa so. Nti si yetena sika ye a kire ye ho se e wo se me dim fie dodo bi sei ansa na mewu aso kristonia. You're playing games. A Christopher e wo aye mfaso. But make sure say wo be wu awrade mu. That's the most important. Nti yen ade nyina mu amanfo di ekukuruhye ase krum omoni abrede de ekoso na chechire wo mo ho a wo munya akoma eni agene krampo entimi kram ye wo mo no mompaye no satam no na ye asedam awrade ne ye focus na obonefo na nwiaye. I don't know what you're going through. Sheye na honhom no wandum no. Hey, no one knew. Madia Costuning in Uncle dance ye did, a dance ye be way a nay shot. A dance ye be young and yet dead. The heat in our feeling, and no never more dance ye na yet a bay day. Sometimes with him, who dear that now per second no more, now bit me a crack. So what you say? Bible na di kan me yete ase wo se nye no honam ni moja na nya eni wi motumfo mpanini enti se wo wani abre a wo pese osoro aheman mu wo kokobi no wo ja wo kura na chese wo nya eyi wo nya champion e wo se wo ne wo gina kokora maso na mototo enno na me ne me mai di nkomo na me se awrade pese ye alert. It is said you ye bo football. Ya seti will be a wagina. No gina kokrammaso. A one warrior text messages. Are they born in room in chainty? No. Any moment will be better not to born if baby aba. Nti we are let. Born in your maya now we warm up. Because you better you improve. So what you say? Nti yankasa born in your room honti. Mami kuta me phone na me nye text message no. Asembeto. Nti na oye gina kokrama no so awrade aseti obi a bebi obi agina. Enya wadwe se nipa na wo akire ho no wona na sabri ne se kuta ball nti wo relax obetumi ato ma any moment. Me pacha what you say? Nti me the example nam so wo so obi football field omu gina ho even though the person doesn't have a ball yet. No kuta me phone, no test, no chat, no one inkomo. No. What did that person do? We are let. Ojina wo nyina no. Na just say na dwene na koma nyina no say ade na emedi decide nti we are let. Sanity. Jesus is coming back again. Satan so do how ni amane atu nipa so. We are thinking about things that infam konkonjim. And no na ye worry about it. And no na ye sleepless night about it. But we be community partner will not worry about certain things. No nkwaje onyenya nkwa oninko. But enona enwa dwendwen to ne so mane ntete. But niema honam mu niema na dia dwendwen to say nipa no so ama wo tete. Wa abra se wonim na so wa ye ne kra nkwaje wo adwuma. No wo to fam na asemato. So what you say? Wo to fam na asemaba. A lot of people don't know. We are living in a dangerous time. And danger is ahead of us. No one knows what is ahead of us. Now, young Connie is a sour, yeah, fruko, yeah, quan, you're going. You drew baby no fruit to how unako komutimi was so nyakom. This is just the beginning. I feel a fruko. I feel a Satan so by you nyakom. So what you say? Ntisabri ye ma problem baku mi rubi. Enchichiri ye emfaye shakona. Na ye nye so soft and paye kura ye to me mobi na campus ye Bible. We should be very careful. First Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 6. It just was a moment. Was it intimuma yen was a mumma yen se mumma yen na se wana akano na emum mumma yen na yen eni ena ho if we say wana wada da anajo na wa bro ebro anajo na yen a yeye adechie de yi mumma yen eni ena ho na yen hye gidie ne odo nkatabo ne nkwagie eni daso se dadie che if we say onyankopon ayi yen ama abuf ose nti if we say onyankopon ayi yen ama abufu na emum wo yi yen se yen erade Yesu Kristo enti yemmenya enkwagie. Hallelujah. So what you see? Ye ya de chiema. Onyankopon amfre when ye mabufu. Nti yenwen na ye na ho. If you're not vigilant here, you will be mobo. If you're not vigilant, you will get carried away. If you're not vigilant, something will happen. Be very wise. Ye ya de chiema. Ye ne da se wo ma da na jo no ma boboro no. No. Nipa ni bia de da. They have no clue what is going on. Sabra me no kasai obi worry about na ware ne wedding obeye ehun preparation ehun adwendwen na afa akoma na ne adwene ni nyina onim se echina eye ne dia ana adechie ebeto no ana mini se wona nim no obetwa onim. So what you say onim obi na dwuma bi a wo bebie obi ebi ani kunu bi ewu ne ba bi ewu ne maami bi ewu ni focus nyina gina ho Kristo ni o ni reso afise Bible na kase ye mawufo nsie wo na wufo saadie na tona gine na koma we dey ready wo kora we need time to pray wo e wo se wo tena se na wo so busa ho se nipa na wawu na me ya bodam no ma adwini nyina na makoma nyina minkai me so me hu se me so me nkyene bo wono die wo hu ne die na me so sai na me kɔ no na sabre yi se me firi ha me ye hwan dia on busa ne ho abusuapani bi atena se a chimanso dendenden on tena se musa ne ho se Milso, midday, da ben beso. No, why in the cram quantity of module. nti wona nam ho saa wore saa wono so tim mesrew Kristo ni bia tam na ye wumu no nye tama ye bonsiri hehe edi efusane eye niema emfa nkwagye mre yen ya nam ntutu nyina based on ye nkwagye based on Christ in everything she na wa ma honamfo no amfa wo honam ye adwedwene ameto so anyi Kristo ensi nchen wudi agroso they will do it omo de honam fam niema no honam fam adwendwen no honam fam de omo ye no ebeto adwene ne ne akoma no ama Satan atake over ama wo refi Kristo every single day. Be alert. Don't give chance. Everything you do, let it base on Christ. Yebra akana Isa. Yebra akana Yesu Kristo abano is too small. And intimacy. Ebra akano etia. Ebra akano etia. I hope some make such a obine. Ebra ewe ye nimu ni so. Nti se wrade si ade nyine mu yemfa sedama no dia. De ebetu bia o seba na kan to wan. What will be a let be out? We better make good news or bad news. It's two things. Good news about praise the Lord. Bad news about praise the Lord. That's it. Let's move. Anything can happen. Oba bet me wu, who kunu bet me wu, who mami bet me wu, who papa bet me wu, who ofa bet me wu, who nipa. Everything can happen. Count it joy. So what who said you were here? Your focus will be there. You will be like a foolish virgin. Yen shiye na yen dum hon. We are living in a dangerous time. Everything you do, catch a radisa ne penyo. Say ye ne person be ho. Say Jesus Christ pa e be ho. She no one fa ope anye bibia. Ye yeti ase yeti merade. Yewu so a yewu merade. Ne se obewu amerade a igina de wo ye nenne. De okuta saadini we no onfa ho ne asroche ene niema ebo ne bonkum ni nifa. Koso onim se eda se bo me bo dane at the end of the day the place that I'm going and you're right. And a first show dream so say, unya na tete tonton. E kwanketo no so fa no, masa, nyekom. Nipa be nte wase. Some people will think you're crazy. Some people will think you don't know what you're doing. Some people will think say wo no amanfo ani ate a wo mani bie, ma wo mani bie ne nko na if wo pen ni bie e de wo ne betum nipa da sani so. What one na ni miye no we naked so no onim. Wo hwehwe ni bie no obehu so we naked ntidie na wo so we so chinchin ko pata ade hye. Ejuma wo ho. Yema wo mo ni bie no nkoso nya wo ni bie de ne ye de ye ni mfra e wo wiase. Nyinya nkoma ye kra. Akwanketo no so fa na didi atam wo mu. Abamubuo nsem wo mu. Nipa ka de wo mu pede kire wo. Ye fabricate story ne ye de ato so. They say too much. Wo hu be ye hi. Sanity. Every single day they set up a traps for you to fall into it. Said ye be ya wonyame be yi nensa na Satan fa so be wi adwuma. Nti se honhoma banko no nani da ho ka ho dia ene ye wodofo me pese wani we na ho. En hwehwe di wo bebu abam no mfiri akiri. Wo hwehwe ni firi akiri a ebe yiw. Hwehwe ni firi baby a wo da no, baby a wo tie ne fie na wo timu na busua na wo no. E ho na expect ne so obefti me firi aba. Wo ko hwehwe na akiri a ebe yiw. Me patra what you say? People just worry about things that won't give them life. Me share the na me share the ba. Na me pass it through where obete. I'm learning and I'm watching. Me share nkeka nipa da sani. Eye honam fomu a Otenasi a wotumi hwe ni nipa biem se Yesu Kristo bi wontumi nkobi na no ho asem won kan ya na nipa bi ho ye mmobo. We worry too much. We worry ourselves too much. Busa ho se ade na ama wo adwendwene adoso na nti Awurade se momfa mo hawo no modagye ntomi so na wo de akura na wo de asoa no. Busa ho se Sadia wodi yasoa ebeti mama wonko a enko wom. We spend hours, we spend time, we spend money to please human beings, but we don't spend time, hours, money and please Christ. Make me deeper life so be was let your Christianity affect your pocket. Make be an mystery. Some people in this world, it affected their pocket. And so a bit yes no the way they carry that person. In who so be a pagan and sass of Yesu Christo. I'm a nipa to party da. So Bible necessary will be by body will be by Christo ma a sort of buff winina. That will be by Yesu Christo Nessane, new run and a cradding con. A sort of buff winina bossy. Ntika we beshu pa. Nka birthday kesia pa ye da. Or the boy ni be sakranaji. I be Yesu Christo send you and then the cradding. But they won't do this. So what you see? Nti wiase we na ye wono Satan edwuma o ye no ene ade so ade agyengyina wode ato nipa so no nti amani pa refi se Bible say ade nyinem ye fasida ma Christ. So what you see? Yeah, what taking over agenda. So what you see? Nti ye ya be ya body fofra ye ne honam ni moja ntu agina bi. Woni honam ni moja tu agina wo be pro. Woni honam ni moja tu agina wo be hye. Woni honam ni moja because what the honam musam na wo be ya. They don't understand spiritual things. They don't understand say sumunyame a ono die ne niema no se di usi ye no e different. So what you see? Ye carry sika ye niema etimi say. The enkwom we don't do it. The enkwaji wom we don't do it. Ye sum honam nti Satan de ye gumpochire. Sanity. Nti wama nipa bi tete baby they talk. Minti so bia kan say ade wei mamfa Yesu Kristo a nipa beke ka me ho nsem amanfo kora besere me mente da nso bi ye honam fam ade a otimi ka ma anye ni say a amanfo besere me maanye ni say a ombeka se o malusu maanye ni say a ombeka se o mekura mamobra maanye ni say ombeka se mekura me se me ni hwe man bi ba me nti se wo bi se manfo Jesus Christ ya nipa besere me nim begu ase na tu mo se di wiase ne ko o se Satan dem konson gu nipa na ya wotwetwe wo mako wo oh Sabre me no kase obi focus nyina ene na bufuo ene ne nemo oye nyina ye the wedding no process no the lady didn't do the things right the opam na tade no onyenwie ye omombe ye decoration no omunyenwie ye ene nti akua didie was my stress dodo and me say I have to do this me bana me koto ne din no e was omo ye say I was Saturday when ye twa me woda nema no up to now my I was say do her 24th up to now at the end of year 26 and I'm so stressed I mean what did this kokwasa team? And the came out to it's over. That's what we do. Our focus is on things like this. On you think say, hey, see who tetala habaso, see who amani problem no one to see me say na me kora ne me to for ma me hwan dia onwene ho honam de ne gu amanim honam mani peti die fusan honam mani petiti honam me say Jesus Christ or bambu frimu we die o ma me hu say nipa bi de wo mo ho atoto bibi so a wo mo think say this have to happen first answer mpofri mu no asan ti sa wadwe ye o se wo se wodi mfie bi a ana wadwe ye o se wo se bi beto wadwe ye o se wo se great tribulation bi beto a e bia na wo na wa sha ma wo hu sa de no me kasa me take Diana see say you what because sana me who no say nipa ne bebre they think say oh we say we see answer now all of a sudden no opie sana e ko say ubetumi ewu na ubetumi ewu chena ne se wu ne na wu echena se wan fo wani ewu me bo so wan fo wani ewu obi so ye bitu akowiem ne se chena na obi wu a ye bitu akowiem no wo de no bi fra daka menemu na bi nti ye betu akowiem no ye two things either say you will be life or no wu ema ye ntum kowiem ema Yesu Kristo nzama ema wo mo akotobo dwefo no ensa no Yesu Kristo eye twice na so obasa waba first one ko the second one oba abefa na hotefo de o mako nti se wote se yesi rapture eye trumpet kese na obeti popopu a Yesu Kristo de wo sebo one na bofo de wo sebo ene totobento ano so nsame abepeda na hotefo o momu osoro ho nka ho ema ye ntu ensan echire na echire yifo no Mikai India prophet bi friend Sadhu Sanda media ne di ne mintimi mo o se wo teach sadie no for so many years that what one ready by no say if you were just teaching no ye betu akọ nti wo de se wo gidie kura wo ye betu akoma mi busa wo nyame wa bie book a wo de be data wo de be wu no wa bie so akere wonim se wonim dia and you be wise. Get prepared every single day. Sheye na one na to say the omoda najo. Be abuburo. Don't be wise. Nipa bebre do want to be so. Be very careful. Be alert. Don't let anybody and maybe be empusu. The ebetu ye be was a bentia. And for one to nipa so no bet meja wo anytime. Don't put your trust in a man or woman, mother, father, family, put your trust in Christ. And yes, sir. Nipa na wode wo ho ato so obetime gya wo mu eno so be do hwan na wode ne kokot hwan na wode ne be kokot di wo pe no we wode ne ho enti ade nyina mu wodofo fast dama Jesus Christ. Count it joy in everything. Uma bi bonyum o si papa mo boni mo minya mi ni wa papa mo boni mo me da wasi abribia ye wo bre mu yeden ye wo bre mu nyeden o hie tumi ba o owu tumi ba o amani etimi nsu ni nyina mu no yare nsan ye chida nti Kristo ni papa mo boni mo ewiasefo de niema chichire wo mo ho a wo mo tempenten kwa edi efusane enhu boto anu no mo de crash mu no ye die cast your burden unto Jesus, he will carry for you. Cast your burden unto Jesus. Yea, ye nam fa wiase mu niema nwenwen enkonya sleep ye da ne ya da. Nti Satan wo de amane o haw adwenwen na de watu nipa so. Inshiran kaye ne rade Yesu Kristo se wosoe ye ne so a. Eniti odofo. My Bible quotation be me de pa Romans chapter 8 verse 9. Osis will be ni Kristo honhom onye ne dia. Wakwa sorry mfie pitipipi na ntin kodwo hoho. Wa wo hwe mu atum se Kristo honhom anim. Nso sorry a wo hawo ho e wo nipa honam niema mu. E ho na wonya sleepless night. Ndu ma ayamo hwe so wo to wo ni nkwa. Wo yamo hwe so wo to wo ni nkwa. Eno ho na dwene o. Masa, eno ho na dwene sister. Eno ho na ukoda. Dwendwene me ho dwendwen tawso. Eno. Osin shira ne wona tene ne ho kom. Eni sukom edewo. Ote. Matthew chapter 7 remember. You Bible no come Matthew. Say chapter 6. Chapter 5 also. See shira na wona tene ne kom. Ni sukom de wo. Ono be mo wa me. Ha ya. It me chasser free train. O sin shirane hunhum ahiafo. Na wonna osoro ahenie no ye wondia. Inshira ene hunhum ahiafo. Ubompa irade memobo. Fa hon konkron free so bredom me. Irade chiru me di wo hon konum woni abre. Chesa wo hwehwe opo kra pre hwehwe Christ. For sin shirane wonna won were aho na wonna obechechire won were. Awere ho no de ahi bi no waka no. Awere ho no. Hey, madam fu bia me ni ko school. Me ni too close pa. In fact, e be ka kire me so wu, me were aho. Sa de no nye no wodi hira ba uda bi. Obi na ho wo Kristo. O hwehwe o kra prehwehwe bibi e wo Kristo me de nkwagie bebre wo nti ama wo kai sa e ma wodi awreho nti wo kra na prehwehwe wo ni bia bere 6 no o si nhira ne wona tene ne ho kom ne sukom de won na wona obema won amen tene ne ho kom ne sukom de wo kra prehwehwe Jesus. When you have break, upper say, we didn't show you were doing everything. Subain da da, or da, a radium mobile, mammy who said the boy any, a radical midi won't come, a radium mobile see me and son awaba, you know, Sako for was so muy shira. Ote, Sanko fui, or so muy shira. We know Sabeka in Shirano or Patafo. Obi ti won mo obi no obi kontokwa na adi mirika kopata wo mo a onne ye nhira da bi o te se meti hei ami bode wuro konkonkon fa homa Jesus Christ ni nyina ne se Satan yakeka Yesu ho nsama kire o se wonye nti me ba be bi so a kire o se Yesu Kristo wodo unti no be wuye nti ntokwa na wo ni Yesu ntama because of Satan yakeka Yesu ho nsama kire o se wonye no me ba be kire o se no ente sa Satan is a liar. Bible can John 10:10 also we follow ma I just will be we no okun no wasai na me de me ba se me be mo nya nkwa na mo nya na moroso nti Satan na ye kromfo Yesu Kristo wonya kromfo won de obai se wo be nya nkwa mo nya na moroso what sa na che se Yesu won ta me wo okay ene ye free na ekure mama me nsa so me fa Yesu Kristo de mi emi wura me kra na maje nkwa nti me ma be ka wo ni Yesu ntam asem me ye patafo ntokwa na wo montam Satan ye di na tam akire wo a ofisi Satan Yesu onya na asem ono wo se wo na obi wo se won fa somdie na bae na ode nkrante na che se wo ta me na che se wo ye sei ne ya ka na bosonsom a wo som no na wajai na di mirika na wa be join ni Kristo e kire se ya pata ntokwa no afi wo be ti ase afi di adwobere wo o si nchira ne safo. So what you see? The time is very close. Be very wise. Run for your life before it's too late. We are living in a dangerous time. We are living in a dangerous time. Jesus Christ, John 12, John 14. Wase mo mama kuma ntutu munyi wanyankopon ni na me so munyi mini na tena bia pii e wo meja fie enti sa nka me nka se me koma kosiesie baabi mama mo na se me ko na me kosiesie baabi me mama me sama ba na ma be fa mo na be bia me wo no se wo ba wo betimi na to baabi wo. That's the question. That is the question, because John 1:12 was said do waje no waje ni dindi ye no o ma won tumi se wo meyi onyankopon ma nti mi busa o se abaye tumi no erade ode ama na se wo pie na can you go with him eno hu na kodwene eno hu na kosu eno hu na nya sleepless night eno hu na tete eno hu na obenya high blood pressure entry saade no eno hu nya wonam fam bibia enkonim. It's just a stress. And you feel na mimu. And my way mre. And my Satan is so power. And konim. Tini mi busa. Jesus di oba. Oban sorry na de. Na mi busa o say. So what trumpet no? Ubenya taban de atu ana. Ufiri kwa so mfie sei. Ba wa brabo nyina nkyere Kristo ni onne ye nkyere Kristo ni wutimi nya kokodro de bayi boduku bo bayi so de kotena so dem bayi ni ntumfiri mu wo yemo nhyew se bayi ti mu so honkokro ma wo no way eno na so bibi wo ho na wo bayi honhom na tutu because wonyame ye bi. And never Christopher slow, almost ferry. Would the ferry yes, I'll be cockoshy. Oh, how yamuano on to minka. No, I didn't. Nedichi as the whole matinimuna and yet, or the sabe cockoo, my main country, the day that you die. So when you pet no, obey to a few more. I could show before from why am Quasia Duma. Ntina Bible na kan John 10:10 say oyifo ma o agise will be real wo kum na wasel. Get this sabre we ya Yesu Kristo ba no ukuta be ya seek help ntem Johnny run before it's too late. Afoma ya na betimi dia jo home na ye cham ha unni power bim wo be juse balu. Ahaya na utimi de nam fam ha. Nti be wise. Enya wo se krokokoko. Ahanta nti ento hwe nam wiem. Krokokoko kokoko so na wo ntakra bebrebe ahantan ti foma no nenam e foma wuhia na krokokokoko no ahantan no wadenden nso u chichire no bodue mu a ceiling kura wontumi ntunu hweye na wanye se krokokokoko na wanhwe a ntro hye betu anam wiem na anam fom na agye ofanso wa di free fom bia nso di wo fom ha bia age ne ho me na wo fom ha bia nso be ka asase no kokoko ontumi ntunko wiem. Be very wise. And then the social media, people are bragging with witchcraft, but they don't brag about Christ. One more Bobby Bree. Fa ho to krokokoko. O hand time, o ye wa hand time of form. By so be to ceiling, master o boa. I just said, Uje. One more bet me a tuno. Eye wo mo a wo ya atru hye ne nso wo dwane to Christ nti obenya tabaye to akọ onyina nkom obetu akọ wiem ekiri ba wo bennam ha ahaya na abeje wo me na ennenye nipa fere biem omo de bayiye wo mo ho enne bayiye ne de hoahoaye ho ye tena so ne ya gye ho me na nso Kristofo lukewarmness nti ntimi mfa Kristo enye ye ho me na ni no so yeso yede nenam ho saa na kokko asansa nti she's in a dead person in the dead church, lukewarm person in the lukewarm church. What did the sa kokko asansa no otua offering tight what the sa no what den from hasa nan to hye hu nyansa etimetu akowim na na ba nyonko na waye bayiwu Mary Magdalene yebi ni honesty nti ye jani di wo Bible ni what you say okra obi na unsi tent so what you say so Mary Magdalene she Yesu Kristo ani ase e ma seven spirit jani ya e di na Jesus nti minye e kire kura won na be Yesu pa oba besia ho fefo timi sisa ni tirimi e de se perfume papa go Yesu na se de tirimi papa e mato wo ho jeje mu ye hohwa ye ho obayi ho Mary Magdalene be hohwa ne ho Kristo mu ye de ye hohwa ye ho obayi mu ade nkwanim nti Jesus wu ye kora no and man was very close. What did Martha did? And nkofo bi ye pese come makrashe. Martha was sitting there. Tie Yesu Kristo enu mose. Nso ne ya mabayi kwan mo dominate especially women. No de ye adwuma. Me come kira so obi jawo. Obemo ye mobo. Why is sitting up atontua? Obi usu no hwedi wo mu yi obeto akene. Obeto akene wo mamfa so obi mti be wise. Be wise. Be very wise. E mobo me hye nipa bi a wo moden den e de baye. Hu me kuta wo mo. E wo wo mo. A Christopher lukewarmness nti yentimi nyina brane. Empeje Jesus Christ as a banner. Na me raho. I'm a raho. And run me no be cassa. Na me ni din come. Me ni din command was ya ade ha no chade. Ade wo refi baby a me fira na. Na me se me kai. So fran toa. On se e hwa aka nim. Na erade de kasa chebe. Oso on so fran 20 wo de hwa no so fran toa. On se wo de hwa ne ho. Se wonim baby ofri. Ufrantoa unso de hoahoa no bosoma o na de hoahoa no na Christopher so e di na wo se de hoahoa e kasa kire me nti we sa ni pai onu obi nya sa no ye ne hey wono so si hey wo se jama ni mebi a me fire ho mi frantoa na de hoahoa no ada ni ye de yentimi nkase ye Christopher ye free Christianity So what you say? Ye di abusuma umunim kono mama yimbi. Edi hwa ho. But we cannot brag about Christ. Ni nyina ne say ye nyina yi. Say ye gyina yi a nka yebetumi de na hoahoa ho enam se ye nyina yi ntia na yesuro misre wede se ohu Kristofo mobo na o mani gya ne nsane ne mbonwura yemu ni yentumi nsori waka ni yetima brage wo Kristo som anye sa yemu bebre beda ne krokokokoko yebene nam fam ha hantan aya abdi abakomasem yebe ji ho mena nenso eduro dia den a ceiling kura yentumi ntunduro nshira no wa woni abrehwehwe Christ nshira no se wie yebremu woni abrehwehwe Kristo oka Joel chapter 2 verse 28 o se die die kire no obehwie ne honhom egu honam nyina so ebre ni nie o so be yi kuta o so nyem ba obedie furusane wa sore dem due wo mobo ahomaso kuta o so nyem konkonsa wada ne telephone no wire wo gista mfa wasum atoro pa wano nkuruma kura enye torosa eni brebreye wo ye first class de biara da upeni padam for wo mobo uche wudini wonye no kofo unni no kore wo ye sisifo even wawadi mu kura wo ye sisifo wona wo yirete but wonni mu 100% wona kunu nete but wonni mu 100% wo ye sisifo wo ye dadafo wo ye pesemin kuminya ahoya ye wo se asoku se gare so what you say the biara da wo hwehwe de wo benya firi nipa ho but wo de want to me you don't give you always get so what you say inkoyi ye nimre o ye prediso wo ho e wo honam fam but won't me wo e wo Kristo som wo ti wo kunu no ye mienu ba ko Facebook na ba ko so ye re o yire no ye tu wo ware ba ko Facebook na ware ba ko so re wo penkwanje wo mobo wano ye tu wano de papa wo fu bom na wo yiri soma wo yim timi show me say one day wo benya heart attack wo fu bom na wo kunu ni no soma wo yim timi de bra na sanka dwem papa wo mu a ntika sei ne beye sani kuredi wo mu a nka sei ne beye uti we wudi ukunu ni di kura kwaje bosia onim nzo wonim ba fansi wo yi onim se ne to no wosen waji ni se wo ye ukunu but wonim se wo nkwaje na wo si ne kwan oti ase nzo wakwaje asase ma girlfriend ukosi dayama oyiri nim ho hwe meboa oyiri nim uti wo hwe obi ne nabusua ewo ba bia oyiri nim ho hwe nso woni ne che bills etua due wa wotesa onyame hu mobo especially abruchi nukuridi asa nukuri ni enya adwuma obi abeso sisi ne yonko even a ware form da mpa ba ko so due wotesa due nipa wotesa wa hwe ye wunyini nche so what you say because we are buffo we are pesemin kuminya ni enkoyi momo bebre atro obianto me die nchene atro bebi obewure bia oditro eso we wi ase japadi nyina na hwero kra mfa so be ne wo so ni panim hwehwe nti uditro pesika ni panim hwehwe nti uditro agibibi wo bobo di bia ye kan ha krum ha di guma wari ye no bebre munni nokore di nim o yesro wo ya na ka wo be ya me say Bible mu no kase o ya dia eni kwasa obonkum ehunu de onifeye adekoro na eni kwasa obonkum ehunu de onifeye no anye bia e awurade mu ade na wo ye Se awurade mu ade na wo ye anka nhira no ba se ni awurade mu ade na wo ye de adue wo yiri utimi nyinsen 6 months no de bo adwuma 6 months no ye adwuma utimi ye adwuma start to se sabri ba bia na funu du no ko so woda asisie nti utimi kaniti no che adwuma 4 weeks wo agye uja no ko adwuma ni nyina ne se wonam na ade ne din ene na yi eje mosia eye niema nti mo credit nye nti wankọ a mo bede mo nya ba bia da nti wo ba besenyim 12 I say 6 months uji ni base sika 4 weeks just walk of stranger no be hende ba no sanso no de kwa adwuma no na mawo mu wo dia te so sister no ohu de onye papa no bo adwuma be 5 nso de hwe wo nko awabusua na busua wo toro nko wo nsa wo ye sisifo onyame wo hu mobo sanso ba we na mo de ko heaven sanko fo we bi enye wo mo na Yesu be fa wo mo wie yebremo wo boa you lie Nisa krusu bi na awurade be fa won da bi wotumi wo se wokunu wo bre na djuma wo ye wo bre pa nso wo sori ade wo benya nka de be support wo de sponsor wo bra na wo sori na te dam yase wo mi ensa ne nnan wo ne ma different therefore na wo no wo ma na wo tie na wo tim fifiri na ade hwempana ma na wo kunu tim penten kwadue we are no swap boy to a say meku ntuma se we Kristo ni wo mobo bebre wo ho mobo won hwe yi ahode wo se ka wunya eni mfie wo se wodi wunya me be chechire de amaku ana wo yere if you don't know won se we sisifo won kan kora because wo pese wo kofie na koje nimo wo kosi ba nsoro kokosi anye bia ba ma ne baba ware wo no okacha mse wo bi company bia wo de ko beye eye company e hu tira de no betua ya me busa wo ka kire me se ye company hu tira de oba ware wo se wo bi company bi wo beye adwuma na mo sensan krata ene wo busuafo hwehwe se wo besi abansoro me busa wo wo ye sisifo wo yire na wo tena buruchira hanye wo timi ko Ghana ko chempana utimi koko chempana ehwe sa oba ne na busua oba ne te anyem 6 months woni ne chedan ka no motua emire bi ku ofre dwuma ba nyame nko a ice pan wo hye ho a nka ne sisi nka kola no kora ko be hwere no 4 weeks ni no fo hyehye na odi te adwuma mu na wo so ko Ghana wo di bu atopo die onyame wo mo a ubeye mobo nukuredi asa enti ne obi kura be ma ko Ghana na yire kan ho se me ne wo nko obe ko Ghana na ni kunu be kan ho se da bi nya bia me ne obeko ni nyina ne se onim ne boni wo kwa kodie nkade na efe anya mu ni sika mu nyina mu ntena se na mu ntususu ka mu nya sika na ka mu mi nyina nso boni wo kodi nti o ko Ghana ni kunu si woni ne beko o se da bi na de na nse wo ma me ye o mo se Ghana fo sisi moden o ma me ye bi obi ye ya man nakedness e beta obonten guess ye bi o se Ghana nye common so what e okoji nani no oba ye oba warefo me say da Yesu be pie wo papa no o se me nkantra oba o enya wadwesi e wo long term emre ni so wo nsakra ye bia ye ne efiri na kuri ade bia wo die sie bo maame na papa na mani me kame chiro unless mame nkan dia wo betimi die sie mame nkan bia me ne me yire ware me ye Kristo ni mapa onye Kristo ni me tiasie se e wo se Kristo ni me tua ntutuso dudu me tiasie me yire ntiasie okay me kunu ntiasie ofisi ye nsem hunu kura na yedi ofisi ye chichi sika de akoma obi no wadi bikwa because of so one tears here now. Me be so chana be a problem. Me could you me tight and yadia will be. Me fanchino. And the bammy musa me more for dear ewunya me more and no me sunchino. Because si canibra shawma we are envious. Even the little bit we are the member the no person sajika home. Nsunya no never bow. Oti ase because o ka oti mu to petrogum anameboa. Se petro asa na otuka na anye bia beko. Se uto petrogum na why buyer de o ma wo moja edu mofusa na ne mframa wo home no. A wo ma wo hode an de kwa aduma no wono so se na utua no. Uto wo ni insurance. Se wo insurance me wa a wo de ko hospital wo yare a undua ho ka. Se utua na me busa wo papa na wo ma moja edu mofusa ne na mframa na mo huni mfofo na eba no. Ono so say na ade ma no o se ahode ode ma oni bibi ode ma onyi na echi wo de onya ahode no wo ma ahode na de kwa aduma no bo so me no so ya de bia mo bibi anyewa emu tutufu dudu yi 10% na fa ma wo no awurade na se wo sika ni nyina no wo pa nti sister ka betimi atua ono de wo se 10 pe na fa ma no eno so so nkofu bi ani bre nti me hu se wo ye mikunu na wani bre sika sa me tua me tight anya de a wo behu ene de awurade di madanse ene ba me mu se me bought for dear she Christ and Nimonyama. I won't let you see it because when you bring sika, that one I will hide. But I say me hide this sika. See, ya come mini ambe makude. And me say monya saso. I hold you mama hana munsidano. For offerding to so hen. Na me kunu hu se eyene dia. Mama bibia mamu se mani hu bibia. Na that bia woni wa na ye yafa. Me bia eyiwe matoka we ha. Me do obi din na ye. Nti mama mani hu na wo di sie wo so tumi hu se wukun. O ya kra yare. O je wo dia na de sie. O sori bathroom na odi nkomo. Ekuya offer all friend offer I made 50 million not yes I ran you mamina mikunu ba mamina hey unya me show God is watching papa ne ba no papa wa no oda ye ni emu ye mo asa ye mo so asa ya nwa so asa ye fish no krasa na nse me kue kokuma ponche na sa but who the sikano anka obetimi na di aboa no wo so na de sie na de ama sister wan hwe yi fie no nam me ka me kira wo mbese kuaje let me tell you nti so wotimi fo wotimi wo no no awro wo kawa no de afa wo beti sa na ayo no awro wo kawa no de afa wo beti bebre mumu bebre mukunu numbi ani at this time moyere numbi ani at this time di ntia because wo ba foforo no when ni ne korama no wo de niam asie afa amafo ahase bibi so ono so hu ye no wo ba you tit for that nti won samo you don't trust each other trust in him cause wo ba ye no ye niam bebre ni nyina nse wonim baka hu se eche se de ya system no baba be hu no wo hu so ne ni ti abaye mobo mu bebre sa na mo ye ka be ya ma so bi di no korama wo kunu from the beginning wo bi di no korama wo here from the beginning but mu bebre wo de niam be sie we me say abrofo ye no mu ye wo mani atetan me kai mere bi me kwadwuma na lady ba ku bisa omo koto aduan na so nto bi mere me ma na yi no se me ma ne card because o ye ya nam see you mean suka really you don't have car nam say no everything is with my husband really I feel no mo be kire me say menji me personal one they teach me this omo an kire me kwan and I run to the bank and I get my own card or say this one is yours you hide this one he won't see it. Then every little money you put it in there. This one. They teach me. They teach me. Nyamiye maduma. Eradima mi say road na onam so. Now bibi emu ye fine. So what you say? Nsu ka na nekuta mikunu. Meso me na dia. Sa na mi hu no. Oh ye nyina ye din. But wo bi mama Jenison no. You need yours too. That one is every woman have a secret card. That's what they said. Every woman have a secret. Every married woman have a secret card. You need the secret ones that you can do things. Because you can go to the mall, you want to buy something and they don't get it. You know, men, they don't understand. Maybe you see something, you see Louboutin shoes, you want to buy it. This guy doesn't understand, okay? He think you're stupid. How can you spend $750 to buy a shoe? Men don't get it, but when we look good, they like it. And this is why you need your own card. You hide it. You put some money on it, you buy whatever you want. They said this to me. And I'm like, yeah, you're right. I can do the CCC. You can order some stuff by yourself, you know. It's your own card. That's all we do. So you people don't do that. I said, no, we Ghanaians, we don't. Yeah. You get up in the morning, your husband will do everything. That's how I grew up. Oh, really? This America, we don't do that. And my first time, and it's true, I went to the store, I purchased some stuff, because I did not use my husband's card, so he won't see it. Because even if you didn't give him the receipts, crying, they will print it to him. He will see it, and then he will call you, hello, my wife. Let's have a meeting. We're going to have a talk. On the 25th September, you bought this at Nordstrom. It says Louboutin. You bought $750 Louboutin. And I look here also. You bought 1,700 and Louboutin back. Are you kidding? This can cost your marriage. So that's why you have to hide it. They said this. But when you do it they won't see the receipts. That's a worldly talk. This is how they teach you things. They say hide some stuff so you can do certain things. And it's true. When you try, you can do it. And also, when you're going to buy something, they tell you, come up, golden this and that. Okay, I can spend this. But if your husband is going to be, you will have a talk. Fights, yes. But when we become Christians, everything is transparent. We don't hide anymore. When we become Christians, we don't do that. We have to be transparent. Everything. Hey, Mami Amatua. You see, I have to show my husband everything. My husband is greedy man. If I show him everything, I don't think I can even buy duku. So I'm not going to do it. If you're a real Christian, start today. All your secret card, pull it out. Your husband is going to see it. Tell him the truth. Husband, the reason why I'm keeping this card for myself is, if I need certain things, not everything that I'll tell you to do it for me. So this is my secret card. If I need something as a woman, underwears, bras, you name it, I can buy it for myself. So this is the reason why I have this card. Show him. And no son oba. Ekuya. Where na me so card no menya yi. Oh na. You won't say last be now yes you card. Bia what the Who was kakaka do so aka ma me yi na. Me pay bi me ho akere me pa o si obo. Bra. Who ni so? They say I sound a J. Na dia ma. Everything is transparent. And no son will see what. Jesus will come in. Sanity. Some men are greedy. Some women also are greedy. But when we become Christians, we are not. And yes, they have secret cards or secret bank account to be bank enough. The same as ma corona iba ni pe wu chom mutu sa man for bank for be body pa. Because the secret in you maybe where yes ni yiri ni kunu ni bank for will take over. Who could do so when you mean who case? Into what is the sense in this? Make sure everything is transparent. That's it. Also, sisi wa asasi so no betime sisi wo. Mani sisi wo. Kristo nti ya yankosiafo. Mani sisi wo ha. Na nya dan koma wo kra. Aha ye transit. Ye mfiri ha aha nya fe aha nya de. Niema nkoyi wo ha. Don't hide it. Don't do it. I did it before. Mr. Brofona, they sit down, just sit here. Let's do the talking. Seriously? You what? So you don't have a card? Okay, let me show you. Where is your phone? You see, you go here. Papa Norbo. You see your name. Okay, so you do this, you go. They will give you that one. He won't see it. Okay, this is what you're going to do. Call. Maybe if I come for a nipa now, you tell her, say, if you make on tips in Munche, now face you see, can I go direct? No, and also on say, then you put it there, you're done. Yeah, it's simple like this. So when it comes, whatever goes to him direct, that's okay. You still have something. And I'm like, oh my God, you are a lifesaver. Thank you so much. See, I don't know all this. We can teach you more. They will teach you. Brah, they will teach your wife. Sister, they will teach your husband. So please. Danger is ahead of all these petty things. And until now, because there is hidden things. When you're transparent, things move. There's a lot of hidden things you are hiding. You're ready to nenia, what you say still you are we are come see come sa. What you say? We are come see bra. I didn't see now I say who come Ghana crana or year now you must show didn't. It's again in tia meboa. When we ye that sister, it didn't know who come Ghana or year such and china. Who could you such and china on ex-boyfriend me? Who person in the corridor? I don't know, yes. Wouldn't so wedging on me a good so. What she stay at a bank is canina. No, I didn't day. Boga Naba, who cock spending, who ban more people I know. Base in the back, no more credit is say, not done into call with you. Oh no, here. I feel need you was about him, no, nibim pony. Would the way go heavy? The committee say used to be jabo. Obey your mobo, 2 dear. Jija, who no guessing in your sakawa. Obey your mobo say ya. And you want you to run to the bar who could know. When you want me first see for, what me fast, what me for wagadregi for, what me fair 224, what me for one, what me fat greedy people. When you want me for one, no. And I'm the way you're talking, Lydia, as if say you don't know the life of America, you don't know the life of Europe. How can you be this transparent to your husband? Then your brother and all, now you be out, most likely that's a over Bobra, and your brebusia for paper and betcha me. Next me, baby, I will sign ye. Namin Kabimon. Mubaya Mubi and some of Bobra Meboa. Now, I wouldn't near me see. What is wrong with you? And you call yourself Christian. Who will say anything when you know? GDS one uni. Some of me in a crumb for will be a young uncle. Until you will be a Jinimuno. And yet, kind. Sanaye. Oh, Bano company be the sign when I'll say I see. Now, one send him when you're more nipa. Say, how do you want to a radisson or pay? And down come out, all these things, I won't bother. Why now, small war, which I was sister who could do Ghana? No one for me, young come out of my Uberton. Why a small war? Obia small. Ubia small, which in which I water so catch them. Yet the nipper, the nipper beckenti. And maybe break or say him, be break ewu, what bra woman near dear because of nipper anymore, she. Because of nipa animuhwehwe ye bekenti ye be sainti oni bi ni kunu nim oko jibosia me state am we so yi wo timi ko yesa wa bra wo ni oyiri nim hu hwi masa wo bo tere kisekoro na wo ye no wo be fia ba the same as oba wo timi ko yesa o ombe yi letter na dia be kire wo ye ombe yi abekire wuku nti be wise so oba no so wo no kana no atoma wonye domo wa ye din wo he so wo pe from ha wo pe so wonante ya tise krokokoko go ahead ono die o pe so ya atrohwe no otumi atu nya wadwen so ye jimifo so what you say hey di o se ni ate wasasi so mani sisiu ye de ye kosie panyin kire ye pedan kwa ama ye kra yes and no freduma ba secret credit card ni nyina beguo eni weni yini nyina guo tesemu eguo no nka nche o say adentia because we are living in a dangerous time. Simple. Nyesa ba ya kontena ma wo yematwaku igila wa wo be yie bi wonyame wonfiu because we are kromfo. So what you say? One she you be woman sika ka bank. Be wise. Ma bibia mu na honyame na hwenipa. Ene na me ka tell be me say me sponsor you Jesus Christ. On the sponsor me. Say me ye bibi no one sponsor me that means some person be a me. But he's my sponsor. So what to me the nyame to me the gold. E share fish enu ma wo be deliver ya. Unyame fish bia me go do shane no be ya ba nti me no bia me ko ne cool at the end of the day so me yem kunindifo ti sie de ho to awrade so a ye ma ye bibia nya wo no onwu ye nimase o onwu ye nimase kakra na wo di sie be ma nkwa me busa e kire wo di wo goma ne nkwa ho uji ni peni mu nyam ekuya koye yekekanda ibi wa bisi woni krum enya sam kito jai kwenya mchapa yekekanda ibi wo kukurisi ni krumo afi ukru ni mo hwe yesi yi abombedru of eno ati hu yesi ofa dan no and there be yesi ni wo fa so no yesi ofa yesi na hu na de ntokwa tese odi ko heavy ekrumo for de ombeje ye me nada en die ombebo abasoso be kwa kohye because when ni nokura wo ye trofo wo sa ye kromfo e ka ho unni nokura mo nyina mo de pen and paper to this is what we are going to do you yourself hide ya wo hide so ke nyame mu kura wo tate kura wontua na nkampeso wo tua wo free ye bo afode so no obo woni atofuri wotu ohwi ni ho unto akonwa ma Yesu won tena so oti ase honam fama dije na wo pe di nipa be boy ye ba wo hwe nipa duam so woni nkwa unsa wo mobo bibribe enemy too for been there done that I been there done that but Christo who abusunti I am no more that person nti se woni Christo ampa na wonye kotromodwa everything I will say you're transparent. Mami amatoa mimi de me yes transparent. Me kunu wode ne de ma ne fancy no wonko hye. Nye sa pepepe. Ma ne fancy no wonsisiu. Etru bi kura wo no ayese de wo hunu ye. Yiwani o. Woni chia paasa de ne ye blue. No ayese de wo hunu ye. Anji mo fi se wo ye jimifo. Oni sese wo ye nyansa ni first class. To the side. Poptobent no bum pe no wanya taban no otu. See what you see? Anyesa obeye mobo. Sabri se awrade aka e wo Joel chapter 2 verse 28 se di chi obi no honhom agu honhom nyina so no honhom ni nyama ya ne tse bibi krom. Check yourself. Awari ni mudi no kore. Kristo sum ni mutu sei. Abusua ni sei na otie. Die na wo ye abrabo a wo bode Yesu Kristo die wo musai was ho die a wo spend wasasi so Jesus Christ ne die se ne wo wagene na djuma ho wagene se de be ya Nyankopon djuma be ko so de biara da wo kwa so ye so light ye tena konya so wo busa ho se Yesu Kristo na tu sika firi soro e ma sofo ne to nkonya electricity omu tia no aso fie ono mo e kwa be so no mfa so tua so wo de abosome so a wo kotua mebo nso offering kora wo to na ye odi unsechi e din tu se dada de sika no nya bi no way cause we sisifo utua electric bill as matter of fact wo insurance card a wo kotua wo yare wo nyare ye to wo ka wo timu ndia insurance ebomo amomo utua mewa who prepare yourself na nyame na odi moje di umofusa na wo home twetwe no say no waya man o se only 10% eno waya odi anya nya cruise bi tichi say tight tua kora nye o mobo amanfo wu yare kudi wu ekum nkofo a o mobusua kora ntimi nsomu no a woda so edi mofusa na ni why they protect you mibusa when they protect you nso onsechi ede adi bi be kwa manya mi dabi nso mafu mbom ni enka se nipa so mesi ewu ya jigistika ni monti ewi ase ni munyam nti utimi kukuru sika se deche na ade akwa koto nso wo kwa asori tight ye hu si wotu ya tight ba offering no ba wo kwa yi ase utimi bonsa ani ye bonsa fonam na o yaman yero ho na asase ne kukumu twen obi mia o safety sanity ye ne nyame nkofo na emobo nyame nkofo na emobo ni nyina ne se wanya ho se kwakubofo amehihye nkoma kese ene obi ni mu a you won't get it nyame nkofo kan so they won't do it to keep it give it to the dead people and sit in a dead church and one day that's where you're going to end up. Mishamei jina yese ye jina hanya bone ni pass mesi oso okuta ne nsam no ya meye ne sana wono no kutua taita amanyame obi ehunu no eno ya ma na fans wo eno obi ehunu nti wo ntua but mompene ne yeah wo ma yade no they love it what wanimo ni panim no nyame so what wanimo nanim Africans ye mobo this end time be wise before it's too late danger yesu se me kan tro se emra woni na wo so mpofiri mu ene wo bepi enya wadwen se wo long time na aka 8 year onua power didi ame na wo kra nso kom di no hwehwe waje nkwa na wo kra be me onua pa wadidi ame na wo kra nso kom di no hwehwe waje nkwa na wo kra be me hwehwe waje nkwa na wo kra be me utumi da na utumi na adaya ewiase adwendwena fa wo mu wabra woni nkwa wo de be ma wo na wo kokoto no nyame se meje me mframa eno ho ne yekobusa no nti wontena se nyinyi wo nyame asam ho da akra ewu akra yare unyinyi ne ho da but wo dwendwene ho nam mudie na obi ya adwuma wo edesai Barclays Bank ekokoje akatua wo edesai Lances office Yeru tutu ye nai said ya kontufori tuo yeri tutu ye nai said ya kontu ye tutu ye kwa anu no ye kwa anu no nti kwa na wonam so no hweni ye kwa anu emre ni wo maye ye tam niso ewi ase adwendwe na wafa so no ebekum abra unko ye awrade dia fa awrade ho adwendwe ne so a no wonfra wo nhira di ukram bi eje mese ma no bia secret card mpie unless stop so ka from her. Be honest to your husband. Not the best since. Or you greedy. No so beji bibia through some. Give it to him. Let's schedule nyame be yo. Brother, Everything you hide, be a such a if you really want to make it to heaven. Now we hear fa onko kum nyashi. Ye japade ne Christ. Ye no obi ansign contract. Nyame ye wadom na timi bibɔ case wo dia. Wan timi ensi bi ebi besi bia me bia han bi eye sanity. Unless it's up person na. Mi busa wo. Wan na ekɔ Ghana wo ye transit. A wo wie wo kɔ press ase wo. Baby wo ye transit. Mi busa. Play fufuro ba be fa wako. Wuduru house ya hana me be press ase. Wa bra woni chia say, next flight is coming to take you. Flight no so next flight no enkukuru fie enkukuru luggage bia is you and yourself. Nti de wani abere wo ho na ebe be waka ha no enni wachi nti be wise. Simple say Jesus is coming. Wasama mehu se wo ba na nipa bi free say eni omudo omu atu niema bi su se wo beche. Prepare yourself. Get your house in order. Time is near. Jesus is coming. Period. End of story. Ewie. Nkomo na no. Di wo waso. Unti di honhom na kasa kyerasa. Wo woni aso kokowu. Wo woni aso kohye. Simple. No. Man can't tell what me. There's a castle no one far, maybe a medjuma. That's all I can do. Sampe pepe. Because yeah, so better Christus no abada da. Unyini them. Would the so to say kotia? Ujina baby ujina. You have to grow past. But what does to say? Until nature says something wrong somewhere. Kokoyo correction. I mean so men koyo me correction. We are preparing ourselves to meet Christ. A brand new hope, brother, sister, a brand new hope. Sansima make a went here. Now, Coco whoop on him. My woman said from Muja. Soon is done. Thank you, Jesus Christ. I rather made us. It's showing him when you make us, yes, what didn't come. Made us so no more doom no more, so be a secret. He's watching. Everybody that was ya tin sama woni yaka ye correction yes ye ko bibie ni ma so a de de wo haw ni wo yu ne bebreye no ye so so boy ni ntimi nyina animu se de tie bia ni twitwaje wo Yesu Kristo Nazareth ni didim amen yo say ya o ma sam ne ye betamawa wi ase me de me wi me djuma Ababa wo be fi se me bo ne nwuma hye na ni munyam. There's blessing. Wote wonyo wo ha me bo hye wani wuo. Cause Kristo ni papa bi anya ya ware until you go back to your husband. And Mahama ye motivational speaker. We jaya ware ni hye ne sofo. Master, we won't take that. To wote wonyo wo me ha. Ani wuo na me body hye wo. Nti se ye no kure se nyame na ma voice to sing for him dear. Go back to your husband. Simple. Simple say a Christ of when I
Yeah.
Because obia wonim se wonyame na de ne moja to abode e do boni bebrebe a chew wo be koto adanase nti sa papa yi wudi nachi na se ka obi ukunu aye obone nti ke mva ncha no wo se meja ware ono so se wo kira ware jaye wo wie ya na asa akoto nyo o se ye de ya no na de fe wrade but yakoma a chie fe wrade ho nti nipa no dodo na yetiem awrade but yakoma a chie fe wrade ho ono kasa dia ye ntie ye kasa dia yeso wontie ono no tre yese yenye nti sabrewi ye keni kwase bo ware jaye din so e wo Kristo so nso hwa anwuntofo nti Joyce Blessing wote wonwum a mame no to amem mo nhye wani monyam o me bo ahye wani me bo am obi ehun sa wo na ato sa anwum so what you say no wagya wuku ene mame nsa me ba be dia wari jaye hu dwuma I will go deepest the nipa bi de asua de nyesa bebi ekeka kono manfo de wo man no be ye awrade opie pe osifiri mi soko wa wanya de a etene isre awrade se ma onka sa bi nkyere na se won kan kyere ye so a e wo se de yete no ye de ye adwuma eno no onyame won hira na wonya okese se me ba yi tie me God bless you.